kings, right? FHS, funky high. East side, west side, still one love. No matter where you go, we all Samoans, boy. Recognize. Yeah, here we go. B-I-double-G-D-M-I-Z. Step through the scene, aka Monty. Hop through the spot in the parking lot. Could it get sparked like a random shot? The game get flipping, slow when I'm tipping. Haters be tripping, flows I'm gripping. Eastside pride, let me know what is it. We gon' move y'all out just like an eviction. Evicted, do you really know what I'm about? Let your mouth scream out while the kids blow out. Move out the section, change your description. Find some reception and get domes lifted.
Eastside, westside, no matter where we go, it's one love, some more pride. Just wanna let you know it's peace.
Sole uso, se au fica fica, ma con e cama, ele pia passa fa asa que eu fica, e na música, ole to, cama samo, ma com male inside, yeah, go ole basa, fa alunga ma iai, oh, fica male pese ole fa alolo, due ile beat e ole jealousy, a mese le police, la le kumul fiesi, fa alunga ile chuda fa apetiti, pese mai no ma pongi lunga sign peace.
Eastside, westside, no matter where we go, it's one love, some more pride. Just wanna let you know it's peace. Peace.
This is going out to the Mr. Level Up Seminar.
Solo vale basi sama-sama ngumu. So ele kenge uku ale ulu. Salina, mina, awala le bisa. Kuang au le mai pai la ilau mai la ina la wai ka. Nusa ona ka wai ni mai ka 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 mase wala ka ka Amerika samo. Ole be ala mare manga wai o sama fa fa twin tawa ya se te matasi pa yo ke ka kasi wala ka ka be maro si be Amerika ole be ala mare manga wai le fai rasta.
Eastside, westside, no matter where we go, it's one love, some more pride. Just wanna let you know it's peace. Peace.
Let me get the fourth verse and start a big scene. Let me get things worse, it's the unknown kings. My team's coming pairs like Eddie and Ashley. Dominated by Alva and Sammy. Area code 684, lay low. Exit the flow, cause Don says so. Your lyrical start out to let you know. Listen real closely if you still don't know. Leave you all pit from head to toe. Fatal attractions will leave your eyes closed. The chopper stay chopping, lose your sight. If you claim you got game, then approach the mic, buddy.
Eastside,